Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on Discord app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Discord. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.